Hi everyone, this is Tanmoy. So people who are connected with me over LinkedIn, I don't know if you are watching this video in YouTube or LinkedIn or any other platform. So knows me that I've been working in digital marketing, growth, and e-commerce for the past few years. I share regular updates of what's happening in Meta Ad, what's happening in Google Ads, what are the different things you can do. So today I was working in a live project, and I thought I'll do something fun. So today, what we will try to do is we will try to launch a carousel post or maybe a ad. Then we will run it, or like we'll just post it without spending any money. Because to simplify it, if you want to run carousel ads from Facebook, of course you have to spend some money. I will show you how you can do that without spending a single dollar, right? How you can do that. So what do I mean by carousel ad? People who doesn't understand carousel ad, this is an ad format that Facebook will give you chance to show a slideshow of products. Just for example, you are a e-commerce company, and then you can literally show 10 different images in an ad. So this is a live ad. This is a live ad or post, whatever you call it. So I give it a CTA, like people can visit the website to order. And also the campaign was for message campaign. Since we didn't have enough budget, so I had to shut it down. But still, I could literally get it on the timeline, because if we can get it on the timeline, more people can see that, and also that will look cool, right? I have used 10 images, 10 different images of mango. So how we can do that? Okay, if anyone is watching me who doesn't understand Bangla, so just to translate it, this is about just the mango. There is an offer, you can order 5 kg and stuff. So we will try to learn it live, right? So to do that, you need to have a few things ready. First of all, you need to have a ad account. What is an ad account? This is default. We all have an ad account, and then of course you have to have a Facebook account as well. So to start with, if I go, okay, so I'll just show it from here because I have access to their. This is the client's account. Go to a campaign level, then we will just select a brand awareness ad, maybe brand awareness. Stay with me. First of all, I need to teach you guys a little bit of about Facebook ad, because without that you won't be able to do that. We'll run a Facebook ad, then we'll turn this up, and also we'll try to make it appear from our page, because at least we have to launch a campaign, right? There are three types inside one campaign or inside one Facebook ad. So number one is campaign. Inside campaign, we have a lot of ad set. Ad set means targeting, and then the final ad that people will see. So here we are. This is a campaign, this is an ad set, and this is an ad. So we don't want to name anything, just keep it as it is. Of course, I will select my personal page because I'll be launching. So I'll be uploading these 4 images as a carousel from my personal page. So what's my personal page? This is my personal page. Just to be safe, I will give it €1 because the client's account is in euro. No changes, nothing, beneficiary, nothing, because this is in Germany. So that's why the beneficiary is important. Doesn't matter to you guys. So the final ad, here we will select the actual manual ad method. This is a carousel. Now I can add card, means images. So yeah, 4, 3, 4. All right. So it'll show like this. So I have to select a caption. So what it's day, and I thought of fresh air. All right. So very easy. Then of course they will ask you to give a destination, because since I am not doing it for spending money or creating an ad, but people who will do that, for them there are multiple options. Like you can select instant experience. This is not a Facebook ad course, but I'll try to do that if useful to anyone. So the destination, I can send people to my website. I can send people to give me a message. I can send people to give me a phone number. I have to blur that one, I guess. I have to, I can actually send people to my Instagram. So for now, I can just select Instagram to be safe. All right. So it's already done. Everything is done. I don't want to write anything here. So publish. And, after that, we have to just be at the business manager once it's published. And of course, when you are creating an ad, make sure that you are turning the ad off. Other than that, it will just spend money from your client's ad account or maybe your ad account. So you have to make sure that you are turning it off. So if I just divide those into smaller steps, number one, so how to upload a carousel from Facebook page, business manager, ads account, create a basic carousel ad, then turn turn it off, then make sure you. So now we have done all this. Now what we have done, we have actually selected a Facebook page, then ad account, we created a basic carousel ad. Then what we have to do is we have to turn the ad off. Then we have to click publish from our page. So we created the campaign, we created the ad, still it's not published for some reason. Maybe there are some unexpected errors. Now while it is updated, you just have to go here. Let me just show my cursor here. Then you have to go all tools. This is all tools. Then you have to go page posts. So if you don't find it, you can get a search button, but I cannot find it here as well. But page post, yes, there we go. Go to page post. But to have page post, you have to must have the business manager access, and I also have it. Ad post, things that I have run on the ads. Still, my ad has not been appeared here. I don't know why. Now, there we go. So this one, you can see and preview and then action. So what we did is we selected our own business manager, and then on the ads post, you got your post and I got here and click published. If you want to publish the post, yes, I want. Then I will go here, and of course I have to move it here. And also I will give just a refresh to see if that is uploaded or not. See, this is uploaded. This is so essential if someone is actually working on the social media. Even if you are running a carousel ad, you won't be able to like get it uploaded on your timeline. So this is going to be a very life-changing feature for all of you. So yeah, long story short, that's something that I wanted to show. Now I have to turn the ad off. Where was I? Yeah. Now you have to just select all tools, then go to ads manager. So I have access to a lot of ads manager. That's why it brought me up to a different one. So I have to select the one I was using. That one is actually I was using. Just a German client's ad account. Then this one is pending. So I just turned it off so that it doesn't cost a single dollar. So now I'm turning it off, but still it will appear to my timeline. So did you get it? It's very simple and it's very easy. So now, since it didn't cost a single penny, I'll just turn off everything from here because I don't want to take a chance. You don't need to turn off everything, but I still I want to turn it off so that it doesn't cost any issue. So yeah, that's it. I hope this will help. And still, if I go here and give it another refresh, I'll still be able to see my carousel post from my page. So yeah, I think that will be very essential for all of you. And thank you so much for making the time to watch it. And if you want this kind of video in the future, you can also let me know in the comments below. So I'll be uploading this kind of video in future as well. Thank you.